Hello everyone, today we're introducing the Lucky Miner product series. We'll go over the different models to give you a clearer understanding of these devices. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments. A Lucky Miner LV02, LV03, LV06, LV07, LV08, LG07. First, let's take a look at the Solo LV02 Lucky Miner. The product is packed in a plastic case labeled with its name on the front. When opened, there's a layer of foam padding inside for protection. The device features a black body with an electronic display on the front, flanked by two prominent buttons. The side panel features a USB Type-C connection port. For detailed specifications of the LV02 model, please visit luckyminerclub.com. Hash rate 74 to 78 kilohashes per second. Now let's take a look at this device. The LV03 is another compact device in our lineup. Protective metal enclosure. Let's open it up. You'll notice a protective foam layer inside. Designed in a sleek USB format with crystal clear casing, showcasing its tech interior with an OLED display on the opposite side. All features remain accessible through the web interface. Hash rate 70 to 75 kilohashes per second. These two products focus on portability, compact size, ultra-low power consumption, and near-silent operation. While their hash rate may be modest, there's always a chance, right? After all, it all comes down to luck. Let's move on to the next product. Lucky Miner LV06 packaged in eco-friendly paper box. Contains an instruction manual. A really cool product. Premium metal casing. Features a dedicated status display panel. Features a perforated Bitcoin logo on both front and top surfaces. Power input port located at the top. Includes 5 volts / 6 amps power adapter AAC line. Boasting 500 gigahashes per second hash rate, 15 watts efficiency, and 42 plus coin support, SHA-256. Compact, quiet, and plug and play for hassle-free solo mining. This is the 55 model, comes in an exquisitely designed gift box. Contains a product manual inside. One host device, stylish silver blue finish featuring a prominent front logo. Features an integrated side panel display for real-time data monitoring. Compact 1 terahash per second crypto miner with ultra-low 25 watt power consumption and silent 38 decibel operation. Includes 12 volts / 5 amps power adapter AIC line. SHA-256 algorithm, Wi-Fi connectivity, and multi-currency support BTC, BCH, BSV, DGB. Ideal for home blockchain education and efficient mining simulations. Now let's look at this orange packaging. So what makes it different from the others? This product is named LG07 Dogecoin Solo Miner. This is our latest product, released in March 2025. This product is absolutely awesome with its striking orange color scheme. Compact front display with conveniently located rear power port. With Lucky Miner LG07 11 megahashes per second hash rate, 12 watts ultra-low power consumption, and silent cooling system. If you're mining Litecoin on your own, this is really appealing. Plus, it packs a 12-volt 5-amp power adapter. LG07 and LV07 share identical dimensions and design, with only color variations. Next, we present the Lucky Miner LV08, Our high-performance model featuring an enlarged chassis design and superior hash rate capabilities. Contains an instruction manual, the front panel integrates a display and air intake vents, equipped with 2 standard high-wattage cooling fans. The rear features an exhaust fan vent in the power input port. This model features an integrated power supply, unlike the LV06 and LV07, which use external adapters. While this design may increase heat generation, the large ventilation ports and dual internal fans effectively mitigate thermal issues. Delivers 4.2 terahashes per second, hashing power with only 120 watts energy draw. Engineered with premium components and cutting-edge technology, this miner ensures long-term stability and optimal performance for continuous operation. Okay, that covers the basic product introductions. Now let's connect the power and quickly set it up to see it in action. After plugging in the power, the device's display will show its Wi-Fi network name. You can then connect your computer or mobile device to this network. After connection, the device will automatically open the LV08 configuration interface. We will proceed with the device's network configuration. Open the network option. In Wi-Fi SSID, enter an available 2.4G network name. In Wi-Fi password, enter the corresponding password. After entering the details, click the Save button. The device network setup is now successful. Click Settings on the left, then configure the mining pool and wallet address. Enter the LTC mining pool address, port number, and your LTC wallet account. Click the Save button to confirm the settings. After saving the settings, click the Restart button. Restart completed. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. The home page will display the real-time running status of the miner. Contains information such as overview, power, pool information, results, etc. The setup process is the same for other devices. After receiving your unit, you can follow our tutorial video for connection guidance. The device screen simultaneously displays hash rate, uptime, IP address, fan speed RPM, temperature, power draw, connected mining pool. Miner LV06, 500 gigahashes per second hash rate, plus or minus 10%. Miner LV07, 1 terahash per second hash rate, plus or minus 10%. Miner LG07, 11 megahashes per second hash rate, plus or minus 10%. All right, that wraps up all the products we've covered today. Personally, I'm really drawn to the LV07 and LG07 models. Delivers competitive hash rates with ultra-low power consumption, offering exceptional cost efficiency. Of course, we also offer the LV08, LV06, LV03, and LV02, a full range of Bitcoin mining solutions. Choose the model that best fits your needs. Join the crypto revolution today. With worldwide shipping, your mining journey begins instantly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for setup guides and order now at luckyminerclub.com.